Hey guys, this is William from Great Affordable Watches, and today I got something pretty exciting in the mail. And this is the Orient Bambino, hopefully. So we're gonna do an unboxing of it and see how it looks. Okay, here is the small box, pretty standard Orient box. I think they have upgraded it because last time I got an Orient Bambino, it felt a bit cheaper, so perhaps they have upgraded the box. Oh, and here is the watch. It looks really good. I think this is probably my absolute favorite Orient Bambino version, and many of you guys will agree with me because the cream dial with the heat-treated blue hands is a fantastic combination. And it has been very hard to get this particular model, and now they have released a updated version of this, the Generation 2, which include a Hacking and Handwinding movement instead of the old movement, which is very nice because that was a feature lacking in the previous generation Orient Bambino. So it's very nice to see that they have finally upgraded the movements, and it looks as good as I imagined. I got this extremely cheap. I got this for around $125 US, so that's a fantastic price for this model. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. And here it is. It looks very good indeed. And I usually wear my watches on the left arm, left wrist, but I got the Alpinist, so I didn't want to remove it. And of course, a full review of this watch will be up on my channel in probably a week or two, so stay tuned for that. And I hope I see you in the next one.